Close CRM tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Close CRM. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to close.com. Or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Close, it is a customer relationship management or CRM platform that is designed to help businesses and sales teams manage and streamline their sales processes, track leads, and engage with customers effectively. And aside from that, Close offers a range of features and tools aimed at improving sales efficiency and helping sales professionals close deals more effectively. And some of the features of Close CRM that offer including lead and contact management, email and communication, sales pipeline management, task and activity management, and many more. And to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plan that you can avail, including the startup, the professional, and enterprise plan. And below here, you will see the corresponding prices and the list of benefits on each plan. And to start a free trial, kindly click this button right here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, in order to sign up, you can use your Google account or you can enter your email address and also your first name and last name. But I'm going to choose to sign up using my Google account. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, including your phone number, your company name, and also you are required to select the industry you're currently in, web here software as a service, marketing agency, business consulting, and many more. And after that, you're also required to enter how many salespeople do you have. Then you could also select your answer to their question, what best describe your role. Then proceed answering their question, where are your leads today? Then just click Finish Setup button after filling out all of the required information. And upon doing so, you will be directed on this page, in which this is what the dashboard looks like of Close.com. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, including the inbox, opportunities, leads, contacts, workflows, reports, support and FAQs, integration, and setting option. And by clicking the inbox option right here, you will see on the right side panel that it provides a sales-focused view of all inbound communication, open tasks, and reminders for the day, in which the inbox serves as a hub for managing various types of communication, including emails, missed calls, and voicemails. And you could also see here the list of tasks, all items, and using this inbox option, it will make easier to manage and prioritize your task. You could also see here the future and done under the inbox option. And using the inbox option, it will help you to automatic email tracking by connecting your email account with Close. It will automatically track your email threads with any contacts you have in your organization. And aside from that, you could also navigate the opportunities option on the left side panel by simply clicking on it. This option will add value to a lead and help your team identify and keep track of what deals are on the verge of closing, in which any opportunity that is added to lead becomes visible in the opportunity pipeline view and opportunities overview tabs, giving your team a high level of view. And aside from that, you could also navigate the leads on the left side panel, in which the main purpose of this option is to manage and prioritize potential customers or clients. And some of the features it offers including lead scoring, custom fields, automated outreach, and many more. And you can also change the status of these leads by clicking here, and you can set either untouched leads, leads to call, leads never emailed, and many more. And aside from that, you could also navigate some other options on the top panel, including this option to send bulk email. And to do that, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information and click the preview to proceed. And now, if you want to add the leads, kindly click this plus button right here. Or you could also click this one, and upon clicking on it, it will show you a pop-up window, and all you need to do is to enter the company name and also the contact name. So let's say the company name is Sample Lead. And after entering the contact name, all you need to do is to proceed by clicking the Create Lead button below. And you will be directed on this page, in which from here, you can start customizing or filling out all of the required information, including to add a description or URL, or to add an address by clicking this button right here and filling out all of the required information. And aside from that, you could also change or customize the status of this lead, including potential, bad fit, qualified, customer, interested, cancelled, and not interested. And aside from that, below here, you could also add additional details of your lead, in which below you can add here a contacts, opportunities, task, your title, contact details, and other custom field to contact. And if you're now done, just click the save button to save the changes. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that your leads has now been created. And it will show you the leads that you just made on the top of the list in here, including the title or the name of your lead, the contacts, and the status of it. You could also copy the filters, export, or even bulk edit by simply clicking the three dots on the top right corner. And aside from that, you could also navigate the contacts option on the left side panel, in which the main purpose of this option is to manage and organize the individuals associated with your leads, or to have a seamless contact-based filtering. And by clicking this plus button, you will be able to add your new contacts or lead. While to share it, kindly click this icon right here. And aside from contacts option, you could also navigate the workflows, in which the main purpose of this option is to automate communication steps and streamline your sales and lead management processes. And to add a new workflow, kindly click this button below here. And from here, just enter the name of this workflow and proceed by clicking the Done button. And after that, you could also set up the trigger by simply clicking here. You will see on the right side panel some of the options, either leads, contacts, and addresses. So let's say I'm going to choose leads, and you can choose what kind of leads, either current status, date created, or even name or description. After selecting the trigger, which is leads, just proceed by clicking plus add step button, and you have the choices to choose either email, call, SMS, assign user, or even task. So let's say I'm going to choose email, since it will schedule automatically or will send an email. And on the right side panel, you could also set up or change the number of delay days, and you could also search for email templates. And after that, just proceed by clicking the Done button below. So basically, workflows allows you to create a series of steps that can assign lead to a user or group of users that handle outbound communication, send or organize outreach attempts to a contact, and it will create a follow-up task to complete before moving on to the next workflow step. While under the reports option on the left side panel, from this option, it will show you a valuable insights into your sales performance, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and improve your sales processes. And aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel the integrations, in which this option will help you to connect close with other tools and services, allowing you to streamline your workflows, enhance your sales processes, and access wider range of functionalities. Well, if you have other questions or concern, just click the Support and FAQs button on the left side panel, and from here, you can start asking or searching your specific question. Now going back to this page, by clicking the Settings option right here, it will show you some of the details that you know, including about your organization, your general, team management, communications, connect, and many more. So that is just how you can use Close CRM. Thank you.